Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Failover Testing and Documentation. Failover testing and documentation are critical components of business continuity and disaster recovery strategies. These processes ensure that an organization's systems and applications remain available and functional during and after unexpected disruptions. Failover testing involves simulating disaster scenarios to verify that systems can switch to backup resources seamlessly. Documentation, on the other hand, provides a detailed record of procedures, configurations, and outcomes, ensuring that recovery efforts are systematic and repeatable. The importance of failover testing cannot be overstated. Organizations rely on IT systems to deliver services and maintain operations. Any downtime can result in significant financial losses, reputational damage, and regulatory penalties. According to a report by the Ponemon Institute, the average cost of unplanned data center outages was approximately $8,851 per minute in 2016. This underscores the necessity for rigorous failover testing to minimize downtime and ensure continuity. Failover testing involves several steps, starting with the identification of critical systems and applications. These are the components that must remain operational during a disaster. Next, organizations must establish recovery point objectives and recovery time objectives. RPOs define the maximum acceptable amount of data loss, while RTOs specify the maximum acceptable downtime. These metrics guide the development of disaster recovery plans and help prioritize failover testing efforts. Once critical systems are identified and objectives are set, organizations can design and implement failover mechanisms. These may include automated failover solutions, such as those offered by cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services. AWS provides services like Elastic Load Balancing and Route 53, which automatically distribute traffic across multiple instances and redirect it in case of failure. Implementing such solutions requires careful configuration and testing to ensure they function as intended during an actual disaster. Documentation is an integral part of failover testing. It involves creating detailed records of the testing process, including the initial setup, test scenarios, procedures, and outcomes. Proper documentation ensures that the testing process is transparent, repeatable, and auditable. It also serves as a reference for future testing and provides valuable insights for improving disaster recovery plans. A well-documented failover test typically includes several key elements. First, it should describe the test objectives and scope. This includes identifying the systems and applications being tested, the specific failover scenarios, and the expected outcomes. Next, the documentation should outline the test environment, including the hardware, software, and network configurations. This ensures that the test can be accurately replicated in the future. The test procedures should be described in detail, including the steps taken to simulate the disaster scenario and initiate the failover process. Any issues encountered during the test should be documented, along with the steps taken to resolve them. This helps identify potential weaknesses in the disaster recovery plan and provides a basis for improvements. Finally, the documentation should include a summary of the test results, including whether the failover was successful, the time taken to achieve failover, and any deviations from the expected outcomes. This information is crucial for evaluating the effectiveness of the disaster recovery plan and making necessary adjustments. Real-world examples highlight the importance of failover testing and documentation. For instance, in 2017, British Airways experienced a major IT outage that grounded flights and caused chaos for thousands of passengers. The incident was attributed to an engineer accidentally switching off the power supply, and the airline's disaster recovery plan failed to initiate a seamless failover. This incident underscores the need for rigorous failover testing and comprehensive documentation to ensure that recovery plans function correctly during unexpected disruptions. Moreover, failover testing is not a one-time activity. It should be conducted regularly to account for changes in the IT environment, such as software updates, infrastructure upgrades, and changes in business requirements. Regular testing ensures that the disaster recovery plan remains effective and that any issues are identified and addressed promptly. According to a survey by the Disaster Recovery Preparedness Council, 73% of organizations worldwide are failing in terms of disaster readiness, with many not testing their disaster recovery plans regularly. This statistic highlights the importance of ongoing failover testing and documentation to maintain a high level of preparedness. In conclusion, failover testing and documentation are vital components of business continuity and disaster recovery strategies. They ensure that critical systems and applications remain available during unexpected disruptions, minimizing downtime and associated costs. By identifying critical systems, establishing recovery objectives, implementing failover mechanisms, and maintaining detailed documentation, organizations can enhance their resilience and ensure a swift recovery from disasters. Regular testing and documentation updates are essential to keep disaster recovery plans effective and aligned with the evolving IT environment. Ultimately, investing in failover testing and documentation is a proactive approach to safeguarding business operations and maintaining stakeholder confidence. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.